push a bit behind Katini.
B and E 119 and 139 of the Anti-Money Laundering Act. The particulars are that Okema Leonard, Chris Obore, Adilo Daniel, Kayarajab Semalulu, Otebata Vincent, and Murebe Methods during the period of January 2023 to April 2026 in Parliament of Uganda, while employed as the Executive Secretary, Office of the Speaker, Director of Communications and Public Affairs, Director of Human Resource, Principal Research Officer, Capacity Development Officer, all of Parliament of Uganda, and the Chief Executive Officer, Parliamentary Circle, you processed, approved, and received 10,893,071,150 shillings, knowing at the time of processing and receipt that the said funds were proceeds of crime. So those are the charges. We will not take plea, like I've said, due to lack of jurisdiction on count 9.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.